If you have an iPhone or an Android or any type of smartphone and you want to either do a video or you want to take a picture and the lens of your phone is unclear, chances are you're going to get a little message on the phone to say that you should clean your lens. Clean your lens. So I want to apply that to our own lives. Let us clean our lens, our eyes. Let us make sure that the things that we are putting in front of our eyes are clean so that we can see the path that God wants for us today. Clean your lens. Before you think to walk, clean your lens. Before you think to do anything, clean your lens so that you're able to see the path that God has for you. Make sure that you're not looking in areas where God would not want you to look, to get your lens dirty. Clean your lens this morning.